white bread. Know how much time you get for your lunch break? You get half an hour to eat. You get 10 minutes. You get an hour. You could go for an aerobics class. How much do pirates pay for their earrings? $1 a year. I couldn't understand why the Frisbee kept getting bigger and bigger. And then it hit me. Whatever combination you can think of, make it. Try it. It's delicious, right? Make sure it's wide enough to stick your chip into. Let's make sure this is wide enough. Oh, it is. Good. Mm-hmm. Don't forget your fork. Don't forget your fork. Just take your fork and go put it in your backpack right now. If you forget your fork, you're going to be real sad. Real sad. Okay. It was amazing. I have a confession to make. I actually ate my salad in a jar as my kind of late night snack. What we are making is sushi rice. Sometimes you find a rock in your rice. That is not cool. Did you know that white eggs and brown eggs are exactly the same on the inside? Brown eggs come from brown chickens and white eggs come from white chickens.
Where do green eggs come from then?
Dr. Seuss land. I have to eat this. I'm just contractually obligated to eat this. These are ridiculous. Am I going to make it until tomorrow, or am I once again going to eat this as a midnight snack? I don't know. These will not see daylight, unfortunately. Don't forget to clean the dishes. Wipe down the counters. Love you guys. Thanks for coming here. See you soon. Happy cooking.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.